In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll down right away. Now choose passwords and security, click on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. After that, you need to wait 5 seconds and select got it in this pop-up. Now create your screen lock, repeat it and just confirm at the bottom right corner. After that, you can choose add in this pop-up to add your fingerprint as well. I don't want to do that, so I will go with cancel. Now when I click on home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!